be with Allah and don't be worried. Who Allah help him, he never coming down. The love, who Allah love him, لا يذل من واليت. This we every day reading in after Salat al-Qunut, in Fajr. ولا يعز من عاديت. And cannot be
honorable.
Cannot be honorable who Allah not love him, he cannot be honorable. Only who Allah love him, he can be honorable. And Allah not looking for rich man or beautiful one or clever one, because all this from Allah. But he look for who love him, he honor him, he make him high, he help him and everything. Many people since Adam alayhi salam coming two kind of people. One of them, Allah love them and praise them. Until now, everybody know them and respect them. Another kind, there was against Allah, make them down when they are names saying for something, give him example for bad thing. Allah curse them. They are not honorable. And now, you know, after 3 or 4 days, Ashura. In Ashura, Allah give His beloved servant, beloved prophet or awliya, most of them in this day, they are coming to survive, and other people, they are be cursed. And it is very holy day. At the end, Sayyidina Hussein alayhi salam also in this day he became shaheed. The highest station he be for highest station. And who was against them, they be cursed. This is who are with Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam and his family, his Ahl al-Bayt. they are praised. Other who against not respecting, they be cursed. We must be careful here to not be to go when you say making something, shaitan can take you each side. It is not safe. There is big hole, right side, left side. When there are some people, they saying we are loving Ahl al-Bayt, but they are cursing Sahaba. This also not good. Because Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was love his Sahaba, and he said, who are saying anything for my Sahaba, it hurt me. And what hurt me, it is hurt Allah Azza wa Jalla. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying this. So these people, they are going against Sahaba. To shaitan make them, you are loving Ahlul Bayt, this Sahaba not good. No, this also not good. Other side, they said, no need to praise, you make shirk. And when you say this, Allah Azza wa Jalla, He write La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How it can be? Also, they are in wrong way. Right way, Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. We love Ahlul Bayt. We love Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we love Sahaba, all Sahaba. We believe in Sahaba. Allah make us with them, inshallah. Ashura Day, this holiday, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying to he want to fast if he reach next year, but he couldn't reach. So but not only Ashura Day, Ashura meaning 10 of Muharram, we must fast 9 or 10, or 10 or 11, or you can fast 3 days, 9, 10, 11. There's big reward from Allah Azza wa Jalla. And there is 4 rak'ah for Ashura. Each rak'ah you read 11 Ikhlas. And there is dua for this. You can do it, inshallah, before Asr, Ashura Day, 10 of Muharram. So it is barakah, gift from Allah. Inshallah, this ummah also to survive and to be peace in country with Syria, Iraq, and Turkey, and everywhere. And inshallah, Mahdi alayhi salam come soon, inshallah. Wa min Allah tawfiq. Al-Fatiha.